Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing some olives in a toothpick. So let's get started, and along the way you might see my little puppy's head popping up here and there. He was trying to eat the olives. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. And if you have any requests, comments, let me know in the comments below. I will try to draw that for you next time as well. So then let's get started. So there you go. He's saying bye, and now this is the full color drawing. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with my with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products. And now I put some next videos for you to check out next. I really hope you like them as well. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week for you. And if you have a request, let me know in the comments below. And I hope you have a great day today. And I will see you next time. Bye.